Okay, I've also been working on these flower beds. I showed you these in a video not too long ago, and I'll link it above. I had told you guys, so I took this ornamental grass down, and then I take my coral bells all the way down as close to the ground as I can get it. And then I also do my daylilies, and look how much better that is. I have another bed with daylilies in it that I haven't managed to cut back, and I'll show you those real quick just so you see why I say it looks better when you cut it back. And I'm fighting with the dog. She wants to go forward. Hang on. Okay, I haven't been down here working hardly in this bed. Ed did weed it for me not too long ago, but these, I didn't cut these daylilies back. And, you know, that all this dead, technically, I mean, I'm still going to be able to pull it up, right? And bring those down and just literally pull on all this. But I'll have to be more careful now that the plant itself is growing. So I just think it looks better when you cut them all the way back. And then let me show you these coral bells. New foliage is growing, right? So here's some new foliage. Nala, sit. Hang on a second. Okay, I had to make the husky sit, so now she's in trouble. She's watching the birds. Okay, so there's new growth right here, right there. But then look at all the dead growth too. So, I mean, it's just a hot mess, right? I just think they look better. So that's the coral bells not taken down to the ground. You see how much healthier the other coral bells look than just leaving them like this. I'll show you another one. Okay, here's one more. And you really don't see the new growth. I mean, it's in there. It's underneath. So honestly, I'll probably take my outdoor shears, and instead of using any type of battery operated, I'll probably just cut with the outdoor scissors and just cut it back just a little bit, just to make it look nicer. So, but that is the hot mess when you don't take it all the way back. Now, it's starting to grow. I need to go ahead and do it quickly, but honestly, hopefully in the next couple of days I'll be out here. I just hadn't had a chance. But that's what it looks like when you don't cut it back. Okay, so now that we've been down there, and ignore that it's got some preen on top of the leaves, it'll actually fall off when it rains. So that is a coral bell once I've cut it all the way back to the ground when it's dormant. And then that is how good your daylilies will look when you cut them back. So there you go.